Super simple DIY slime, flour and water.
What's up, YouTube? This is Killer Cheese here, and in this video, I spilled some. I'm gonna be, well, you'll see. Most of you might know what I'm making, because I have flour in this bowl and water right here. And it's gonna be pretty sick. So flour feels amazing. It can be a little sticky, but how do you make it more sticky? How do you make it gooey? It's called agua. So let's take our agua. Let's just pour some. And I forgot to have a spoon. But, oh my gosh. Guys, this is so crazy. This feels so weird. Hold on. Let's put a bit more water. Let's just put all of it. I didn't use too much water. Oh my gosh. Guys, this is so gooey. Guys, you guys, look. Look at this. Hold on. You guys have to see this. Like, look. It's so cool. Guys, this feels so cool. Hold on. Let me just make sure you guys could get a better view. One sec. Okay, guys, look at this. This is so sick. Oh my gosh. This feels so cool. It does feel like goo. Guys, this is the simplest goo you could ever make. Goo, slime, whatever. Oh my gosh, guys. And it's so simple. Like, this is household objects. Not expensive stuff. Like, you don't need cornstarch. No dish soap. No glue. Just flour and water, which basically everyone has. Guys, this feels so cool. Look at this. Like, this is so sick. Oh my gosh, you guys. Oh my gosh, I have no words. Like, guys, I'm just gonna like wash my hands in this. So, wash my gooey hands. Oh, guys, that's DIY goo right there for you. And I have no words. This is so cool. Like, look at this. Okay, guys, time for the moment of truth. I'm gonna eat this. No, I'm just kidding. Oh, this is so cool. Like, look, it sort of looks like I have webbed hands when I do this. What? Guys, I'm just, like, amazed at, like, the result of this. Oh, my gosh. Oh, I have no words. Anyways, guys, that's it for this short DIY slime video. And oh my gosh. Like, comment, and subscribe right on the top of my gooey hands. And I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.